Fresh grapes contain 90% water by weight, while dried grapes contain 20% water by weight. The weight of dry grapes available from 20 kg of fresh grapes will be equal to. Now, the concept in such kind of questions is that the weight of fruit pulp remains constant. Now, we have 20 kg of fresh grapes. Now, in fresh grapes, 90% water is there. So therefore, we can say 10% pulp is there in fresh grapes. So 10% of 20, that is 2 kg. Now, in dried grapes, 20% water is there. That means 100 minus 20, we can say 80% pulp is there in dry grapes. So 80% of X, because we don't know the quantity of dry grapes, will be equal to 2 kg, because as I have mentioned above, weight of fruit pulp remains constant. So 80% of X is equal to 2. So let's solve this. So this becomes 4 upon 5. This becomes 2 twos are 4. So therefore X comes out as 2.5 kgs. So you can get 2.5 kgs of dry grapes from 20 kgs of fresh grapes.